Welcome friends, I am Kamal Sarkar with a new unique and interesting tutorial. How can we clone anything on a perspective plane like this, what is seen in these pictures? It is not possible to clone in a normal way. What we do usually do in Photoshop. To clone this, we have to take the help of a filter, that is the vanishing point. Say this one, and if you clone this here, it will not match the plane. So how can we do that? Let's start. To clone on any perspective plane, you have to first go to filter, vanishing points, Control plus to get it bigger, and with this tool draw a plane like this. Match the line, make it bigger, Control minus, zoom out. When you get the color blue, that will tell you that it is okay. Again, to zoom in, Control plus. We'll do two things. First, I will clone it out. This is the clone stamp, and as usual, by pressing Alt, define a source, say like this, and match here, and draw, clone this. Now I want to clone this window here. Again, by pressing Alt, I am defining a source, say it is here, and define this source, this one. This way you can clone anything with the vanishing point in a perspective plane. Okay, it will now like this. Thank you for watching the video, and thanks and regards to those who have already subscribed, and request to them who has not yet subscribed. Please subscribe, comment. Thank you.